winter time, you go outside, you become cold and you have a hard time warming up. There's a homeopathic remedy you can take. It's called Aconite. Aconitum napellus is the Latin name. It will help your body balance itself, warm up, and it will prevent fever, throat pain. So if you get sick because you got cold from some cold wind, then the remedy will work. But if you have a fever that is not caused by cold wind, then Aconite may not work at all, because homeopathic remedies need to work on causality and similarity and globality. So for more information, check my website. Be careful, self-medication is safe only with emergency and first aid remedies. If you have any chronic or acute illness, you need to consult your homeopath. If you become cold, you're freezing and you can't warm up, Aconite will get you out of trouble. It will warm up your body and it will make you feel so much better. So I wish you all a wonderful health.